Need a few easy snacks your kids can actually make themselves? Today my kids are making 3 fun favorites that are quick, budget-friendly, and perfect for busy afternoons. No complicated ingredients, just simple recipes they're so proud to make and even happier to eat. Join us in on the fun and let's get cooking.
Good. When we crave sushi, we always get so creative. We improvise by using an egg carton for our sushi. We're first going to cover our egg carton with plastic wrap. Because all of my siblings like different stuff on their sushi, we're going to be cutting cucumber and imitation crab today.
And of course we have to cut up seaweed.
Ready up for a challenge? Yep. We have cucumbers, we have crab, we have cream cheese, we have onions, we have rice, and we have seaweed. We're going to put rice in our egg carton first. We're going to add a little bit of oil to our hands so our hands are not sticky. Yeah. What are we frying? So crab's going in next, ladies. Stuffing it with cream cheese next. Some of us don't like cream cheese, and that's her. That's me. Cucumbers are going in next. Some of us don't like cucumbers either. That's me. And some of us don't like seaweed either. That's me. We're almost done, and we're going to close our sushi up with more rice. Wait until you see our drizzle. Now the fun part. Next we'll add spicy mayo. Eel sauce goes next. We're topping it with fried onions. Look at our masterpiece. Better than the restaurant. We're about to teach you our 3-ingredient snack recipe that our family loves. And it's called Turon. First step, we're going to cut up the bananas. Bananas get rolled in brown sugar, and the egg rolls get wrapped in egg roll wrappers.
We used egg roll wrappers, which are a little thicker and still turn out amazing. If your grocery store carries spring roll wrappers, they are the better choice because they will fry up crispier and lighter. Once you rolled your turon, lightly brush the edge with a little water to seal it before frying.
If these snack ideas making you smile, please help me encourage these young chefs. They worked so hard putting this video together. Give this video a like and leave them a sweet comment below. It would absolutely make their day. The little man decided to join in on the party and help the girls to roll to make the process go a little bit faster. When they finished with their rolling, it was time to fry the turon, and you would fry it as you would a regular egg roll, and you know that it is done when the outside is golden and crispy.
At this point, you can leave it as is, or you can take it up another notch. To our pan, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, half a cup of brown sugar, and then 1 tablespoon of water.
Mix it all up and cook it till your mixture is bubbling. Now that the sugar is bubbling, coat the turon on both sides until it's shiny and caramelized. We love learning different facts about different food. Fun fact, turon has a Spanish name, but the yummy banana snack was created in the Philippines.
I have tried this before without the glaze, so I'm very interested to see how they taste with the glaze. So let's try it. Crunchy and juicy. Oh, this is so good, y'all. Incredible. Those things are dangerous. I can probably eat 5 or 6 in one setting. To reheat the next day, bake the turon at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes or air fry it at 350 for 3 to 5 minutes until crispy.
When we want a sweet snack, our mom transforms regular Russian pancake into something special. And today we're going to show you how to make that. What makes these pancakes so special that it's made with kefir. We're going to start out by measuring 2 cups of kefir. Five tablespoons of sugar goes next. Go for the flour. Next, we're going to add 2 eggs that came from our chickens. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm responsible for adding 2 cups of flour and mixing it all up. Make sure your pan is well oiled, and my mama got this squeeze bottle at Dollar Tree to keep the pancakes small.
Just look at those crispy edges. These pancakes are the best.
Day and night, night and day. Kids, don't try this out.
As a mom, I absolutely love seeing my kids work together instead of arguing. Watching them each take on a job and work as a team to make these snacks make this mama's heart so proud.
These are really good plain, but we're making them special.
When I say that these pancake kebabs really do not last long in a house, I truly mean it. Kids love using their creativity based on what kind of fruit is in season, what kind of toppings we have in the fridge at that time. So today they decided to do more like chocolate dipped strawberries. So we had strawberries, we had chocolate, some used white, some used semi-sweet, and they just had the best time not only decorating their own kebab, but also eating it.
Good.
My husband and oldest son came from working on a farm just in time to join in on the fun. Join us next week for more fun adventures in the kitchen.